This video contains sensitive information based on publicly available news reports and verified sources. The aim is to create awareness among real issues that affect our society. We do not make personal accusations and urge viewers to report crimes through legal channels. Hello everyone, this is Uma. You are watching Trendline Times. Today's story is not easy, it is not trending, but it is terrifying because it is real. Every year, thousands of Indians disappear. Children, women, the poor, and many of them are never seen again. Some are not just lost, they are sold. Welcome to the horrifying world of India's hidden trafficking mafia operating silently through the dark web. According to India's own National Crime Records Bureau, a child goes missing every 8 minutes. Most are girls. Some are taken for illegal adoption, some for labor, but many are pushed into something darker, trafficking for flesh and organs. In Hyderabad, police busted a shocking organ trade ring in 2023. Victims were lured with fake job offers, taken to private homes, drugged and operated on. Their kidneys were removed and sold to buyers in Turkey and Dubai. One kidney was sold for 40 lakhs. The victim got 50,000 if they survived. The buyer untouched. The dark web is not found on Google. It is a hidden internet, accessed through Tor browsers, encrypted with layers of anonymity. Here, illegal trades happen silently, including human trafficking. There are forums, private chats, even digital auctions. A person's age, background, even their physical condition, all listed like product details. In West Bengal, a baby was sold for 3,000 rupees to a couple in Bangladesh through the dark web. In Delhi, a 14-year-old girl rescued from a house told police that she was one of the 9 girls sold in 1 week. Some of the children are never even reported missing because their families are too poor or too scared. You must be wondering, why isn't this stopped? Because the rot is deeper than you think. These operations are protected by insiders. There are cases where raids were cancelled after a single phone call, and journalists who exposed these rings received either death threats or worse, or even vanished. India's trafficking routes stretch from Bihar to Nepal, from Kolkata to Bangladesh, from Mumbai ports to Gulf countries. And the victims, they are our own people, from Dalit communities, from tribal belts, from orphan homes and slums. Every time you hear child missing on the news, remember, it might not be just a runaway, it might be an auction in progress. This is not just a news story, friends. This is our failure as a society. We scroll, we swipe, we forget. But somewhere, a mother is waiting for her daughter who may never return. A boy is locked in a room with no sunlight, being prepared for sale, and the buyers, they walk free. If you think this story deserves attention, share this video, talk about it, don't be silent, because silence is no longer an option. If you see something suspicious, report it. If someone is missing, raise your voice. If you know the truth, don't bury it. I'm Uma and this is Trendline Times. We bring you stories the world forgets, but the victims cannot. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and most importantly, stay alert, stay aware and stay human. Jai Hind.